how to transfer crypto from Skill to Binance. Now, this process is going to be straightforward, and you just need to do simple steps for you to be able to complete the whole process. Now, open up or launch your Binance application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines. Tap on that. And then again on the top right, just simply locate the gear icon, which will redirect you to your settings. In here, just simply scroll down, and then under payment, just choose on payment methods. And from here, this is actually your payment method setup. You can either try to use P2P settings or peer-to-peer settings, or you could actually add payment methods on P2P. Simply tap on that. But before you can go ahead and add skill into your Binance, you need to verify your account first. Simply hit on verify now and you'll be given options to present any available identification card that you have on your end for you to transfer crypto from Skill to Binance. That's basically it. That's how you transfer crypto from Skill to Binance.